Okay, so this is a secondary check. Now, what's happening is this new board, Yamaha mg10xu, when plugged into USB, it's too low. Right now, here, I'm set on full volume. I'm set on full volume here. I'm set on full volume here. Now, there. So, this is an issue. We're having a problem with this board because it's not giving us enough output. What I've done is I've got my details up here. So, if I open up the control panel just to make sure that the audio is set up completely right. Get rid of that. Okay, so what we have is the recording properties there, levels 100%. So that's 100, that's 100, that's 100, that's 100. Everything's on max, but the volume is just ridiculous. Just to confirm that, on Audacity I've got it on USB, and we're going to record a little test. So hello, this is a test into the new Yamaha board, really close to the microphone. Stop. What we'll do is now switch over to line in. So what I've done is we've put a line in here, so that stereo out is going straight into my PC line in. So we're basically not using the USB. I think it might be a problem with the USB. So if I go on to OBS and go properties and update that to line in, you should hear the volume get loud straight away. If I take you, I'm quite far back now, I'm kind of whispering really. So if I start recording there now, you'll see that is still, wait a minute, that's not the right one. So if I go to line in and you're recording, so there you go, that's really high. So now I can come here and turn down the gain. So when I'm turning down the gain, that is halfway, and look at that. So I think that might be an issue with the USB. So if I cut out that little bit of it and put it too high and show you, okay, so that is the line in, which is via these cables. This is a USB. So what's wrong? Something's wrong, but we can't tell what it is. So if that is the issue, why? That's the USB drivers off the Steinberg website, I think is the Yamaha one, to get the right drivers installed. These ones here, so I've installed them. The drivers are up to date, but the USB is not registering enough volume through the USB cable, whereas the line in there, you can see that's nice and healthy there, because I'm basically on half here as well. So that's half there as opposed to being full. That's full, that's fine, that's full, that's fine, but something's going on. So I think it's to do with the USB. I've tried 2 cables of USB. I think that works in my Behringer. So something's wrong with the USB on the board, it looks like. We'll have to see what we do now, because then I can't keep using it in line out, can I? We'll see. Technically that might be an issue. Okay, but yeah, you can tell straight away here now I'm a bit more comfortably away from the microphone, about 6 inches, and it's still coming out with nice volume. If I go back to the recorder just to test that, so if I close that recording now, this is a line in, and you can see how nice and big that is. If I turn that up a bit more, you can get even bigger, and I don't want to be past that point. That's about just past 12 o'clock. That's about 2 o'clock. But then if I stop that and then flip over to USB, just to give you an exact comparison properties, and done. So done, and let's record that. So now look at that dismal, look at that. Now if you rack that up all the way, and then that's what you get. So something is wrong. At least we got to the bottom of it. We had some expert help.